Hey riggers! We're just in Greenwich Park and we've been walking and talking about sound effects and how you can use anything around you to make sound, as in the rig ethos. And Becky is playing with leaves. What are you doing over there, Becky?
I'm having a swish.
Having a swish?
I love having a good old swish, me. It's the best sound that you can make in autumn. Well, second best sound. This is also a really good sound. You can ruffle up leaves like this. Ah!
So get outside and see what sound effects you can find in this beautiful autumn. We're off to find conkers.
And squirrels.
And I'm going to beat her in a conker competition.
Not if I can get a conker first.
We found the squirrels, Becky.
Squirrels.
He's up in the tree.